Hey everybody, I got several questions from you about what I do with the pulp that's left over after making almond milk. If you watched my cooking show last week, you saw that we made almond milk and other nut milks, but with the almond milk, you strain the milk out of the fiber that's left behind and you end up with a pulp. What I do with my pulp, I don't throw it out. I dry it. I'm lucky enough to have a dehydrator, so what I have here is the dried out pulp that was left from making that almond milk. If you have an oven that goes down to low temperatures, low hundreds, that's great. You can put this on a baking tray, do the same thing, and just dehydrate it until it's all dried out. Then what I do is I put it into my blender. Just like that. And if I can find my lid, here we go. I just pulse it until it is a fine powder. And then what you're end up with is almond flour. It doesn't have the oils that a regular almond flour might have. So usually if a recipe calls for almond flour, I'll mix half of this almond pulp flour with the regular flour. So do half and half so that I can end up using this. Let me just pour it out and show you. There you go. And this way I'm using every bit of those almonds in my recipes. So if you are curious as to how to use the almond flour, I have a recipe coming up tomorrow in my Cooking with Evey on Facebook. That is at 2 p.m. Central. And I will be making an almond sesame crackers. Gee, I almost forgot. Almond sesame crackers, which are delicious. Here, let me just show you. I've made some up. Here they are. They're nice, crispy, delicious. I love them with salsa, whether it's tomato salsa, tomatilla salsa. You can have them with hummus or guacamole. You can use them as a chip, as you would any other dish. Join me tomorrow and find out how to make these. And I will see you there, 2 p.m. Central on Facebook. See you soon. Bye-bye now.